Very good morning to my dear children. Yesterday, the unit 2 history, the topic the world war between the world level. Now, the continuous today, if you saw, first one that is anti-colonial struggle in Indochina. What is that anti-colonial struggle in Indochina? The Indochina, the three states formed, what are they? Number one, then Cambodia, two, Laos and Vietnam. The three states formed Indochina. Decolonization is a process through which colonial power transferred institutional and legal control over the colonies to the indigenous nationalist government. What is decolonization means? The process through which colonial power transferred to the institutional legal control. It is called a decolonization. Next, what is the meaning for indigenous? Native nationalist government. That is a indigenous meaning. And communist idea, one of the party, communist. The communist ideas formed mainland. China was also major influence. Okay. Next, the white terror in Indochina. What is white terror? The mainstream political party in Indochina was the Vietnam Nationalist Party in 1927. How don't remember the year? 1927. 7 plus 2, 9. So, the Nationalist Party formed in 1927. 1929, the Vietnam soldiers were failed attempt to assassinate the French governor. In 1929, the French soldiers in Vietnam to assassinated the French governor. What is meant by assassinated? Murder the French governor. The third point, this was followed by a large scale of the peasants. What is the meaning for peasants? Farmers. This was followed by a large scale farmers. Revolt led by the communists. So, the revolt means Purachi. They joined the war also. And next, fourth point, thousands of rebels were killed. This was known as white terror. Decolonization in India. The Swadeshi movement was started in 1905. It was changes in political as well as economic level. Today, the present day, so many countries changes in economic level as well as political, isn't it? Now, 1919, the government of Indian Act passed Diracy. What is meant by Diracy means DYARCHY. That is to government. Indian ministers to hold certain, the Indian ministers to hold certain portfolios, that is a department What is the meaning for portfolio is department. Under transferred subjects, Indian ministers to hold certain portfolios under transferred subject. Transferred subject. The INC, it was rejected directly and decided by boycott the legislature. So the INC, Indian National Congress, rejected the directly, the government that is rejected and decided to boycott the legislature. What is meant by boycotted? You know, the outside of the legislature. And again, importance of Ottawa Economic Summit. The Ottawa is a name of the place. Bilateral trade treaties between Britain and number of the states of the British Empire. Bilateral, the treaties between British and number of states in the British Empire were signed at an economic summit in Ottawa in 1932. In Ottawa, 1932. The participation agreed to give preference. The participation agreed to give preference to the imperial over non-imperial goods. Then imperial British, non-imperial other India example, the goods. That is called a Ottawa Economic Summit. Now the fifth, Monroe Doctrine. What is meant by doctrine? D-O-C-T-R-I-N-E. Monroe is the one person name and doctrine is a principle. Monroe introduced, so it is called Monroe Doctrine. Monroe Doctrine. Now Monroe, the president of USA, came up with his famous Monroe Doctrine. He declared that the Europeans interfered anywhere in America, either north or south, it would amount to waging war against USA. It is called the Monroe Doctrine. Then fifth side heading, Ho Chi Minh, the name of the person. He was born in Toking. It is the name of the place. He was 21 years. He went to Europe. In the Paris Peace Conference, he lobbied for the independence of Vietnam. In 1923, he went to Moscow, learned Russian and revolutionary technique, because if the war means some technique learn. So, Ho Chi Minh in 1923 he went to Moscow, learned Russian and revolutionary technique. In 1925 he formed revolutionary youth movement. In 1925 he started revolutionary youth movement because then effective that in olden days. So Ho Chi Minh started revolutionary youth movement in 1925. Do you remember? 1 plus 9, 10. 2 5s are 10. That is the remember of the year, the technique. 1925. Next, the sixth side heading, Boers War. The relationship between the two British colonies, one is Natal and another place Cape Colony, and two independent states, Transvaal and Orange Free States, had long time unfriendly. They are not friends. So the enmity between them, the war was started. British plus Boers. That war is called a Boers War. The discovery of the gold in Transvaal. The British, the discovery of the gold in Transvaal in 1816. So, the British occupied the gold mines. You know, it is very great, the precious stones, valuable stone. What? Gold, isn't it? So, the Transvaal occupied by the British. The war between British and Boers 3 years continued. 1899 and to 1902. The war between British and Boers 3 years, 1899 to 1902. So, what are the types? The Boers then started this war. The Boers took to guerrilla warfare. Then 4 states formed in the Union of by the British Parliament. So, this war is called a Boers War. Next, the apartheid in South Africa. What is apartheid? Separateness. That is separate, the racial level, the separate. It means separate, it was racial policy. இனவெறி கொள்கைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ். Racial policy, that apartheid, இனவெறி கொள்கை. In olden days, in our country also, that is treated by slaves. By whom? That are Britishers. How the Britishers treated Indians? As slaves, because that one of the policy. The apartheid in South Africa, it means separate, it was racial policy. Mandela, the first black president of South Africa. And next one, dollar imperialism. What is meant by dollar imperialism? In early classes, you will study about what is imperialism, isn't it, girls? Now, what is dollar imperialism? Dollar imperialism, the term used describe the policy of the USA in maintaining and dominating over the distant lands through the economic aid. The way of economic aid, the USA followed the policy maintaining and dominating over distant lands through the economic aid. It is called dollar imperialism. Now, today, the classes, you know, they understand the importance, White Terror, Indochina, then decolonization India, Ottawa Economic Summit, Monroe Doctrine, Ho Chi Minh, Boer Wars, apartheid policy in Africa, dollar imperialism. My dear students, Afterwards, I sent through the worksheet for the Unit 2 history lesson. Answer it. If any doubt, so call me. My phone number, you know. Thank you, children.